Look, we have Manny here. We had this loyal customer come in and bring us his Miami blue Corvette. Is it Miami blue, Manny?
Something like that. Yeah, it's a nice color.
Manny, and you worked on this today?
Yeah, so today on this one, we installed this Lambo style doors last year. So we were just doing some maintenance on them, and we had to readjust it for the customer so he could close them better without a problem.
Oh.
I'll just show you guys how the door closes. You have to be mindful, you have to be slow, and then that's it. It just closes like a dream now.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Yep.
And these always need routine maintenance if they don't come like that from factory?
Yes, I
or
would say every 2-3 months we will recommend to bring it in, grease it, and readjust it because of the use that we do, you know, on the doors.
Okay.
Yep.
Can you try opening it again one more time for the viewers? Can you show us a little bit more what exactly was the technical or mechanical difficulty?
So the issue he was having here was, see the door here was the hitch. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't catching right. So what we had to do is we had to readjust this part right here, which in this case I'm pretty sure he wasn't as careful as we told him to be, and the door actually hit the body of the car, and that's what made it. Thank you. I guess, you know, he just started it, I think.
Oh, I think he pushed the start.
But yeah, so that's what happens. You know, you gotta be careful. And,
Okay.
you know, there's nothing we can't, you know, fix.
So you kind of have to pull it out and then close it and then push it out and then pull it up.
You just have to be mindful.